me, how are you feeling today?
Still a little bit of neck pain, some resistance there whenever I rotate a little bit to the
Okay.
left and right. Obviously dealing with frozen shoulder, so that'll take a little bit of time to recover. Lower back's a little wonky right now.
Okay.
Right in that area actually.
Little pressure
Yeah.
right over this area.
Right, exactly. But other than that, same as normal.
Okay, awesome. All right, so yeah, I feel a little boggy here. Is it tender to the touch there?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
How about left side,
Not really. I might feel it.
right side?
Left side more so than the right.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna take a look at your legs first.
Sure.
Definitely right short,
Okay.
probably half an inch. I'm gonna bring them up here. A little more pressure on that right side.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, don't have quite as much knee bend there.
Yeah, right in my quads, I can feel that.
Yep, kind of right on.
Yeah.
All right. So what I'm going to have you do, we're going to kind of check your leg extension. So without bending this knee, I want you to raise that right leg as high as you can for me. Okay, nice, good. And left side. Okay, good. All right. Pretty good extension on both of those there.
Okay.
So we're just going to go straight back with it here. So we're going to get you adjusted right here in the mid-back first. All right. Give me a big, deep breath in. All the way out. Nice.
Good.
I think I'm going to wait on this one. We're going to get you with the anterior there.
Okay.
All right. Just feel what we got going on here. All right. Give me a big, deep breath in. All the way out. A little bit there.
Okay.
So, lay on this left side. Let's get that little back adjusted. Yeah. All right.
It actually just popped a little.
Did it?
Just now.
Bring this way a little bit.
Yep, sure.
Yeah. Already.
Yep. I'm telling you, since I've started coming here, I pop more now.
Yeah.
Which feels great. Right?
Good. We're increasing the range of motion, increasing the movement there.
Exactly.
Nice.
Good. Awesome.
And now I'm going to actually have you go face down one more time.
Okay, sure.
I'm going to check the leg length there.
Of course.
Should balance those legs out. And definitely, almost right on there. Now let's see how this flexion here is. Oh man, much better in terms of how far this right side's going down.
Yeah. I can feel it. Like this, just obviously I can't see it, but
Yeah. You feel the difference, right?
Yeah.
All right. Now you go into your back for me.
all right. Not really. I don't think
So we're gonna do some of that too. So definitely gonna be a little uncomfortable. So your hip flexor muscle that runs from basically your entire lumbar vertebrae from right outside what's called the TPs all the way down to outside the hip. So
Okay.
when you sit, that muscle is basically always shortened. So you sit, it may be this long, real length should be this. So
Okay.
if you're sitting, say, more so than you're standing, over time it's going to shorten. It's going to start to kind of pull you,
Got
create
it.
more lower
Got it.
back pain. So right here, I want you to give me a big deep breath in.
Am I gonna hate you?
You're probably going to hate me with that. Breathe it all the way out for me. And just breathe for me.
Trying to be tough, man. I was like, oh god.
You gotta be tough. I know it hurts. I don't like to have it done either. One more time. All the way out. All right, good. Now, that side versus this side, compare them for me. Big deep breath in.
Oh yeah, this is worse.
Much worse here.
Yeah.
A little bit lighter there. In general, I just see it more tight on this right side.
I tend to lean in my chair.
Okay.
And it's normally leaning
Towards that side?
On that side. So when we were doing it and I felt that, I was like,
That's
I wonder if
probably
that's
what it is.
yeah.
One thing that adds to it anyways. One more time here. Almost done.
No problem.
All right. You can breathe. I know that's uncomfortable.
Yeah, this was definitely worse. That
Yeah.
left side wasn't awful, but
Just a second, speak here. A little bit of hip decompression. Alright, now we're going to get that upper thoracic area here.
Okay.
We'll give you that. You can actually stay right there where you're at. Perfect. So big hug. So I know we can get that shoulder there.
Yep.
We'll go over here. Big deep breath in. All in.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Big one.
Yeah.
So let me see your hands. I'm going to show this. So this is an interesting thing here about Brian. So he's got frozen shoulder. We've done a lot of work on it. As you can see here, left side doesn't have near the range of motion. So we've done, a lot of soft tissue stuff on the past. We're getting some exercises and stretches. Maybe we've got some range of motion back, but it's going to be something that is just going to take a little time here.
Yeah, it is getting better, and to be honest, I've noticed, just in the work that we've done, I told you I play golf, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I don't even feel like I need to warm up.
Okay.
Whether it be my shoulder or my lower back.
It's got more freedom of movement than it had,
Absolutely.
right?
Absolutely. Oh, that was huge.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, this side is a little trouble. Look at those toes for me. Yeah. All right, Brian.
That was awesome.
Awesome. Come on up. Good adjustment today.
Yeah, I feel good, man. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Not a problem at all. So we'll get you back in. We'll continue working on it, and we'll go from there. Okay.
Awesome. Thanks.
All right, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Kind of work that kneaded out, because if that low back does get tight, how's that tension there?
Feels fine.
Really good stretch for the low back here. Knowing that you basically sit full time for work, And then obviously you're at home otherwise. Anytime you've got a job that's kind of keep you in a situation where you're seated all the time, when those hips are flexed, obviously on the front side it's going to be the hip flexors, but these lumbar extensor muscles, a lot of time are going to get really tight too. Especially coming on these sides here.
Yeah, feels better.
Oh,
I'm a fan of that.
that feels good, right?
Yeah.
There's not, you can't really stretch that any other way.
Right.
Not to that degree anyways. All right. I know last time we did a little stretching, so I'm going to kind of keep up with that.
Okay.
Because it is, obviously, you do have some decreased motion kind of in the hips and the pelvis, these hamstrings. So we're going to work on that.
All right.
It's tight, right?
Yeah.
All right. I can back it off some. Keep this hip here as flat down there as you can.
Okay.
All right. So now, just like say, 20% of your strength, push into my shoulder here. All right. Relax. A little bit further this time. All right, and push.
It's amazing. Like every round of this, it feels a little better.
It gets better, right?
Right.
It just takes a little consistency in doing it.
Yeah.
All right. Relax it. All right, push. And it definitely gives us a little more each time, no doubt.
Yeah. Right. That one I felt a lot more.
All right, give me a push there.
This one feels worse.
Yep, it is. We might get 40, 45 degrees on this one.
It's not bad.
Relax.
You know, I've got my eyes closed. I'm
So
not
40,
looking.
45. Realistically, if your leg could point straight up and down right here, 90 degrees, that's what we would want there.
We're halfway there.
About halfway there.
All right.
Push. There you go. All right, relax.
So at-home things that I can do. I mean, outside of just stretching.
Mhm.
I mean, is that about all I could do right now? Or?
Stretching, obviously. Probably hip flexors.
Okay.
These hamstrings. Exercise. I mean, not that you have to go to the gym, but you know, any type of exercise, something that you can do at home.
Right.
Even if you would do, 30 minutes, 3 days a week, it's better than not, doing anything and just keeping on that and then slowly building on it with a little bit of consistency.
Especially considering I sit